In the digital age, the idea of making money while you sleep is no longer just a fantasy, it's a reality for countless individuals around the world. Passive income has become the holy grail of personal finance, and for good reason. It offers the freedom to earn without constantly trading your time for money. For me, it was a journey that began with curiosity, grew with effort, and finally rewarded me with a week where I earned over $10,000, 0 cents, without clocking in or chasing clients. This video dives deep into the 7 passive income streams that helped me reach that milestone and how you can start building your own today. What is passive income? Passive income is income generated with minimal ongoing effort after the initial setup. It's not free money or easy riches, despite what some online gurus might suggest. It often takes time, hard work, and strategic planning up front. But once it's running, passive income can generate revenue repeatedly, whether you're asleep, on vacation, or working on your next project. Examples include earnings from YouTube videos, royalties from ebooks, affiliate commissions, rental income, and more. My journey to $10,000, 0 cents in a week was the result of multiple income streams working in unison, some bringing in small amounts, others contributing thousands. Let's break them down. YouTube automation channel 3200 week. YouTube has long been one of the most powerful platforms for creators, but what many people don't realize is that you don't need to be on camera to succeed. YouTube automation is a model where you run a channel without personally recording or editing videos. Instead, you outsource the work, scripts, voiceovers, editing to freelancers. I started my automation journey with a finance-focused channel. I chose this niche because of its high CPM, cost per mil, meaning advertisers pay more per 1,000 views. I hired a scriptwriter from Upwork, a voiceover artist from Fiverr, and a video editor from a Discord freelancer group. I uploaded 3 videos per week consistently for 6 months. After meeting the requirements for monetization, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I applied for the YouTube Partner Program. Within a month, one of my videos went semi-viral, How to Retire Early Using Compound Interest. That one video alone brought in nearly $2,000 in ad revenue in a single week. Add in the other videos and affiliate links I had placed in the descriptions, and my earnings reached $3,200, 0 cents that week. The key was consistency, niche focus, and outsourcing smartly. Affiliate marketing, $2,100 week. Affiliate marketing is one of the most scalable and accessible passive income models available. It involves promoting other people's products through a unique referral link, and when someone purchases through your link, you earn a commission. I started affiliate marketing through my blog, where I wrote content around budgeting, productivity apps, and digital tools. My blog wasn't massive, maybe 20 articles in total, but the content was SEO optimized and evergreen, meaning it stayed relevant over time. One of my best performing posts was Top 5 Budgeting Apps for 2025, which featured affiliate links to products like YNAB, You Need a Budget, Personal Capital, and Monarch Money. I used affiliate networks like ShareASale, Impact, and Amazon Associates to get links. I also created video versions of some articles for YouTube and repurposed the content into Pinterest pins, driving consistent traffic. During one week, when Personal Capital ran a $50, 0 cents per referral bonus campaign, I made over $2,000 just from that one link. With the right combination of SEO, platform presence, and product selection, affiliate marketing can become a powerful passive stream. Online course sales, $1,500 week. Creating an online course is one of the most effective ways to package your knowledge into a product that sells itself over time. If you have a skill or experience that people want to learn, an online course can generate steady income long after it's launched. I created a course titled Freelance Like a Pro, Your Upwork Success Blueprint, which taught freelancers how to create strong profiles, pitch effectively, and secure high-paying clients. I hosted the course on both Udemy and Gumroad, which gave me access to 2 different audiences. Recording the course took about 3 weeks using a basic microphone and screen recording software. Once uploaded, I promoted it using my existing email list, a YouTube video tutorial, and a Twitter thread that gained unexpected traction. That exposure led to 150 plus enrollments in 1 week, generating over $1,500, 0 cents in course sales. The beauty of this stream is that once the course was created, it needed minimal updates. Occasional promotions and testimonials kept it alive and selling. If you have a teachable skill, whether it's cooking, coding, writing, or fitness, an online course could be your golden ticket. Ebook publishing, $900, 0 cents, week. Another solid passive income stream is ebook publishing, especially with platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, and Gumroad making it easier than ever. I wrote an ebook called The 9-to-5 Escape Plan, which chronicled my transition from corporate life to freelancing and online income. I kept the book under 100 pages, formatted it using Kindle Create, and uploaded it to KDP with a $6.99 price tag. I also offered a PDF version on Gumroad. I promoted the book through a blog post and a short video titled How I Quit My Job in 6 Months, which led to a steady stream of purchases. The real boost came when a mid-tier YouTuber mentioned it in one of their videos. That week alone, I sold over 120 copies between Amazon and Gumroad, totaling nearly $900, 0 cents in revenue. Writing an ebook is a front-loaded task, but once done, it can sell repeatedly with minimal ongoing work, especially when combined with solid promotion and good reviews. Digital products, 1,100 in 100 week. Digital products like templates, spreadsheets, planners, and design kits are perfect for passive income. They're easy to replicate, require no inventory, and can be sold across multiple platforms. I started by creating productivity templates for Notion, including habit trackers, budget planners, and content calendars. I listed them on Etsy, Gumroad, and my blog's digital shop. One of the templates, a life management dashboard for Notion, performed exceptionally well. It was priced at $25, 0 cents, and bundled several templates together. I promoted it on Pinterest with visually engaging pins and also shared screenshots on Twitter and Reddit. During a particular week when I ran a 20% discount and collaborated with a productivity influencer on Instagram, I made over 1,100 in sales. With digital products, the magic lies in solving a small but persistent problem for a specific audience. Once you find that, the sales come passively, often while you sleep. Stock photos and videos, $650, 0 cents week. If you have a knack for photography or videography, stock platforms can turn your creative work into a reliable revenue stream. I invested in a drone a few years back and began capturing high-resolution footage of cityscapes, parks, and nature trails. I uploaded this content to stock platforms like Shutterstock, Pond5, and Adobe Stock. While it was slow in the beginning, many clips never sold, certain themes consistently did well: sunrise drone shots, aerial shots of highways, and nature B-rolls. Eventually, one buyer purchased a full set of my urban drone clips for a documentary, earning me over $500, 0 cents in one go. That same week, smaller clips added another $150, 0 cents, totaling $650, 0 cents. Though not as scalable as other streams, the effort to reward ratio was still attractive. The key was creating content that could be used in commercials, YouTube videos, or documentaries. With time, your library becomes a source of trickling income as new customers discover and license your work. Print on demand store, $550, 0 cents week. Print on demand has changed the game for artists, designers, and anyone with a creative idea. I launched a Shopify-based pod store connected to Printful, offering motivational t-shirts and minimalist apparel. Using Canva, I designed simple but bold slogans like "Back to Grind," "Creative Chaos," and "Hustle Mode, On." I uploaded the designs to t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs. My marketing strategy focused on organic traffic from Instagram Reels and TikTok videos. One short video featuring the Back to Grind design went viral, driving dozens of sales in a matter of days. That week, I brought in $550, 0 cents in profit, after Printful's base cost and Shopify fees. What made POD especially appealing was the zero inventory model. Products were printed and shipped only after a sale was made. This reduced risk while providing a great learning experience in branding, e-commerce, and digital marketing. What I learned from earning $10, 0 cents K in a week. That $10,000 0 cents week wasn't a one-off miracle. It was the result of years of experimentation, failure, learning, and consistent effort. It showed me the true power of building systems that generate revenue without needing your constant presence. One important lesson was the value of diversification. If I had relied on just one stream, say YouTube or affiliate marketing, I would have been vulnerable to algorithm changes or product shutdowns. Having multiple sources allowed me to weather fluctuations and compound my earnings. Another key insight was reinvestment. I didn't just take the profits and splurge. I used a portion to improve production quality, hire better freelancers, and invest in tools that save time. Over time, that reinvestment accelerated growth and opened new opportunities. Lastly, I learned that building passive income isn't truly passive at the beginning. It takes time, sweat, and patience. But once the systems are in place, they become self-sustaining engines that keep working in the background, freeing you to explore new ideas or simply enjoy life on your own terms. If you're just starting your passive income journey, don't feel overwhelmed by the idea of hitting $10,000 0 cents in a week. Focus instead on creating one solid stream, then add another. Build slowly and smartly. Whether it's a simple Notion template, an ebook, or a YouTube channel, every bit of progress compounds over time. The internet has leveled the playing field. You no longer need massive capital or connections to build wealth. You just need to start. I made $10,000 0 cents in 1 week, not because I was lucky, but because I created things that solved problems, added value, and could scale without my constant input. And if I can do it, so can you. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.